back at LKQ to pick up parts. Looks like this car once belonged to a ACC student. That's in Austin, Texas, in 2017. Well, yeah, he did some good work on it, modify it, and look at all that. But oh well, these cars don't last forever. Heavily modified. You can see here. This is the base model. You can see because of the AC. I need the climate control. That's what I need, but not this one here. Look at that. That's too bad. I don't need rams because I recently restored my rams. And these rims are fine. They need to be sanded and painted again, but they still good. And see, it still has the spare tire, and that's the CD changer. Still has the rear tail light. And I'm going to take this one here, this middle one. I've already has the lights here. And okay, the other tires. And that's the side. And this one actually look decent, but I don't need it. I don't need this. And the window regulators on this is a 95. Mine is a 93 though. Window regulators, the brackets are different. The same length, but the mounting parts are not on the same length. So I'm not going to waste my time taking the window regulators out of the two windows. I need, see, this is a cloth seat. The passenger side, it's in good shape. I need a passenger side seat, but mine is full leather, so there's no point of taking this one. So I'm still on the lookout for that seat. And I've already replaced, replaced my glove box. But guess what? Look at the good one here. Okay. Oh, this one has the passenger airbag. The 93 doesn't have it. At least mine doesn't. Okay, the third brake light that was right here. I took it out because mine still works, but the glass broke. So yeah, that's another project. Okay, so removing the middle part, and that's the brake light. So generally speaking, to get this one out, you have to remove the sides, because you see here where this one here is attached to it. It's on both sides. Also, there are screws inside, so I removed the screws. But to avoid me from taking these out, which I didn't want to, I use this here and a flat screwdriver. This flat screwdriver, push that put that somewhere here in the middle here, and pull on it, and thus free this. And you see it's loose. So let me put the camera down and remove and finish the job. Now you see I took the middle section out without breaking the the signal light. So this is it. All I have to do is clean it, and then that's for storage. I'm gonna keep this in storage just in case if I were to get involved in an accident, or if somebody needs one and I just go ahead and set it. But mainly it's for me. These are extra parts for my GT, so I do plan on keeping my GT. Oh, it looks like somebody messed with the fuel. Fuel pump here. Now, if you wanted to know where the fuel pump is, it's there. You know that this is the trunk, and you remove the spare tire, and then voila, that's where the fuel pump is. So somebody already messed with it. Yes, believe it or not, this car comes with a rear windshield washer, and I've already replaced the front one. Now this is for the back one, and I'm going to take this one out and then keep it, because that little motor here, that's what happened. That's what went wrong in my old one, and this is one piece. So let me go ahead and take this as a backup. And bolt 1, 2, and then 3. All right, finally got it out, and now I just have to cut this part here, because I don't need it, and it's a very long tube, so I don't need that. But you see, the motor is part of the reservoir. Well, they're a little bit expensive. I ended up buying this with the third brake light, and then the rear reservoir, rear window or windshield reservoir. And all right, 1850, 1349, and 1030. That's a lot of money. Yeah, I understand if they knew that's a lot more expensive, and also if I buy them online, they're a lot more. But considering that I come here in this cold, it's very cold here, 45 degrees, and I got these out myself, and so I was gonna get more stuff, but the map sensor, and they wanted $40 for it. That's too much. All right, this is it, and I will show you all the parts together I have accumulated for my 3000 GT. All right, so far this is the inventory of all the parts I've accumulated by going to the junkyard, and those are electronics, and they're all good. They work because I tested them. And you see, that's the rear light assembly, and so that's the one I got today. Okay, so my car is green and this one is red, but again, that's an easy fix. You just paint it. And that's for the back window, because there is a windshield washer, the rear windshield washer. So I don't need it. You know, every part here, it's all backup parts. But you see, because the motor here, so that's why I got this one. And then now mine, it's cracked. Even though it works, it's cracked. That's the third brake light. It's all cracked over here. So I got this one, and I couldn't get see the wire. I had to cut it. But I'm not going to use this right now. But this is just a backup. And that's a extra window regulator. Okay, so, and I found this, see, it's clean, and yep, clean air filter, and I think I paid $3 for it. And So this is it. All right.